Chris Hewitt, Sales Director of Robotech Developments, and I am pleased to introduce you to our VacuVest machine for mixing and pouring investment under vacuum. The VacuVest machine has been sold to the jewellery industry for a number of years and has been designed and improved continually to rectify the problems related to pouring of investment powder, particularly in regards to trapped air bubbles which lead to high production losses. The VacuVest design is a complete solution to these problems by incorporating the mixing, vacuuming operations into one machine, thus ensuring there is no air present when investing the flasks. In short, the machine you're about to see in operation is compact, robust, and easy to use and gives consistently excellent results. We will be showing in this video our VacuVest number 10 machine, which will mix and pour up to a maximum of 10 kilos or 22 pounds capacity of dry investment powder in one cycle. We also manufacture a 5 kilo or 11 pound and a 20 kilo or 44 pound machine to make up a complete range. We will now show you the complete operational cycle of the machine, starting with the loading of the prepared flasks, followed by mixing and pouring the investment under vacuum. To start the cycle, the operator will fill the investing chamber of the machine. He will position each flask inside the chamber on the revolving table. You can see that the variety and size of flasks which can be invested is only limited by the size of the investing chamber. Having loaded the investing chamber, the operator, with little effort, will then move the mixing tank into the closed position using the lifting cam. Now we are ready for the mixing of the water and investment powder. The pre-measured water is recommended to be poured into the mixing tank first, followed by the pre-weighed investment powder. After loading the water and powder, the perspex lid is placed over the tank and the mixer and the vacuum are turned on. You will see that the plangent action of the paddle is assisted by vacuum to give a smooth, consistent and homogeneous mix. The mixer then completes its unique mixing cycle under vacuum for a further 4 to 6 minutes, after which time the investment mix is ready for pouring into prepared flasks held under the same vacuum in the investing chamber. To start pouring, the operator must align the first flask correctly under the pouring tap by revolving the turntable. Having done this, the operator will then carefully open the pouring valve, controlling the speed of flow to fill the flask. Once the flask has been filled, the operator will turn off the pouring valve and move another flask into position under the tap with the revolving turntable. The pouring operation is then repeated until all the flasks are filled. The pouring operation is now complete and the flasks are left in the investing chamber for a further minute under full vacuum while settling takes place. To retrieve the completed flasks, the vacuum is then released and the mixing tank move from above the investing chamber into position above the sink. The machine is then prepared for the next cycle by thoroughly cleaning out the mixing tank. We have made this operation easy with a semi-automatic water wash. The handgun can be used to complete the operation. The machine is now clean and ready for the next cycle.